This is YouTube's University's Automotive Locksmith course. Introduction to the TR47 keyway, Lesson 10A of the TR47 keyway, generating 4D67 chips using the Keytool Max Pro. So with the Keytool Max Pro, you're going to see me generate this 4D60 chip to a 4D67 chip. You can also do that with Super Chip. You'll probably use Super Chips for this function, but I just want to show you with an OEM chip. You can also use a Keytool Max Pro. And then you can do 4060 wedge as well. And there's others super chips you can do with Xhorse, the XB version. I don't know the exact name, but there's a newer one that just came out. Yeah, but before that, a word from our sponsors, me. Hey guys, it's Spring Locksmith. To anyone interested in trade, thinking about a possible career change, or stuck in a dead-end job like I was, I've been there, and automotive locksmithing gave me a real path forward. That's why I built this course to give you a simple, affordable, and organized way to get started, even if you know absolutely nothing. If you've been thinking about getting into the trade, check out the course area in my members only area. Third membership tier, Locksmith Academy, on my YouTube channel, and start learning the fundamentals today. And here's how to join. See you there. So here's a demo. Hold the power button, read transponder. We have a 4D60 glass chip in here, as you can see. Now let's go to generate transponder. 4D60. Toyota 4067, generate, and I choose 32, position 32. Usually takes a minute. Perfect. Complete. Go back to main menu. Let's read transponder again. Boom. Master chip. 4D67. Success. So I wanted to show you one more time with the super chip though. So let's see. I just want to show you that I have super chip inside. XT27 chip. Nice. Generate transponder. Of course, it's right here. Then boom. 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 Done. Back to main menu. Easy peasy. So I just want to give you my final thoughts. As far as generating 4D67 chips, it's been a great option. I've pretty much succeeded every time I've used it. I've had no callbacks on them or anything like that. For 4067, I wouldn't, like, it's okay to generate Xhorse super chips and use them, and I've had a high success rate. In fact, I haven't failed a single time using it. You don't have to use the OEM chips because OEM chips are significantly more expensive, like 3 times the price of an Xhorse chip. So I do recommend using Xhorse chips for this. But you can use it in the pinch as well. Say if you run out of super chips and you have one of those, and you don't have the transponder key, and you could put it into a shell and use it to make your own transponder key. But for now, you could just put Xhorse super chips in the transponder shell, and boom, you're done. And yeah, as far as all that, I hope you guys learned something. Comment, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell and press the hype button. Don't know if it does anything, but yeah. Beginner Locksmith signing off.